back to my vlog. I think this is the 5th or 4th one na vlog ko. And, ay, pakalambing naman. So, today is a very special day to me. First time ko makakanood ng fashion show na as in grand fashion show. And I'm so excited kasi na-invite ako sa Bench. The Bench fashion show, yun yung summer and spring collection nila this 2024. And I can't wait kasi super na-excite talaga ako because nasa bucket list ko maka-attend ng mga ganitong fashion show. I'll do my makeup. Ako na yung gagawa sa makeup ko. But sa hair, hirap pa talaga ako. Hindi pa ako sanay mag-style ng hair. And lalo na pag ako lang mag-isa, feeling ko lagi siyang magulo or lagi na-fail. So, para maiba naman yung look natin for today, is magpapagawa ko sa salon near malapit sa amin. Near malapit. So, ayan. Ito yung ano ko. Hindi na masyado nag-ayos. Like, powder lang ginawa ko kasi nga mamaya, pag uwi naman is mag-change din naman ako ng look. So, ayun. I'm so excited to bring you guys with me. It will be in BGC later at 4:30. It's already 1 o'clock. So, magmamadali na ako kasi mahirap lang malate and mahirap lang mag-ahol sa oras. So, hi! So, this is my hair. And look, ayan siya. Hindi ko siya makita sa likod. Pero, sana nakikita niyo. Made it! So, we're now here at the Bench Towers and baka kakain muna kami or unahin na muna siguro namin tumingin doon. Depende if kaya pa namin yung gutom. But, yeah, let's go! Sobrang cute nilang lahat. Gusto ko silang lahat nilin, pero we need to sort these pa. But as you can see, super cute. Like this one for event. Ito super ganda ng kulay niya. Like baby pink. And yun nga lang, hindi ko alam if parang ma-justify ko ba siya. Kasi maliit lang siya. Like ito lang yung hand ko. But ang cute talaga. And then feeling ko medyo konti lang yung malalagay sa loob. Pero sobrang cute kasi. And look at this. My gosh. I love the color. And also this one, it's like maong bag. Ganyan siya. Super cute! And nag-range lang yung iba from like 700 to 900. And yung iba naman na mas mahal pa is nasa 1.5 something. But ang ganda talaga. that's it, guys. So, ito na siya. And, medyo marami-rami tayo nabili. But, ang laki din naman ang na-save kasi ang laki ng sale. Open sila from April 5 to May 3. So, ayan. From Monday to Friday, close sila ng Sunday. Next na makikita dito is yung outro ko na galing din sa Bench Fashion Show. Kaya hindi ko na siya i-haul kasi hindi naman siya like super dami. And puro haul na rin yung previous vlogs ko. So baka maumay na kayo doon. So ayun guys. Hey everyone! So I'm back here at home and I'm sorry if hindi ko masyado na-focus yung pag-vlog because super nag-enjoy talaga ako at the moment. Medyo montage na lang yung nagawa ko dito. Ang saya kasi I met new people. Super na-witness ko din kung paano sila maging passionate sa mga craft nila, especially yung mga designers as well as the models on how they presented themselves. I'm so happy with my hair pala. Ang cute talaga ng curl. Like, hindi siya pantay, but that's the style. And I super love it. And it's from Wow Salon. Here sa may P.O. Campo along Taft Avenue. So, if you want like a very affordable hairstyle, you can check them out. Hindi ko nga alam, parang ayoko pa siya tanggalin. So, gusto ko matulog na nakaganto para bukas. Bukas pagkagising kong ganyan, Cinderella hair ulit tayo. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being with me sa special moments talaga. So, kaya nag-decide rin talaga ako na mag-vlog kasi gusto ko talagang ma-capture lahat ng special moments, ng milestone na nangyayari sa buhay ko para ma-share ko din sa inyo. So, yeah. Again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And follow me on my social media accounts. Nasa description box. I'll add them here. So, yeah. See you guys on the next one. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. So for today, we're here at Beautycon. So wait, so 1, 2, 3. So today, we're here at Beautycon. Yeah, so ayan, as you can see, super crowded because it's Saturday. And wala tayong magagawa kasi yun yung free time namin together. And actually, 2 out of 5 kami.
Hopefully, makasama din namin yung ibang friends namin on our next Beautycon, which is first one. And so far, Tanisha, anong favorite brand mo na nandito sa Beautycon?
Favorite brand? Like international ba or yung local muna?
Ikaw bahala.
Siguro it would be... Tagal mag-isip. Ikaw nga muna. Wala akong mag-isip.
Siguro based on their products, Essie. Kasi yan talaga yung nililook forward ko. I've been wanting to buy their eyebrow products and I did. No regrets naman. And based sa booth naman, parang yung construction ng booth nila, that would be yung pen shop booth.
Yeah.
Tapos yung Vice Cosmetics booth. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung experience sa Vice Cosmetics booth. So, if you happen to be here, you should have passed by it. And ayun, baka sakaling ma-interview kayo and matanong kayo the same question.
And then makakuha kayo ng preview with like a mirror because it's very handy. Yung mirror nila super handy. Ako siguro it would be sa products ano din, easy din. Kasi may nakuha ako yung TrueFlex Illuminator kasi I've been looking for an illuminator na rin for some quite time. Gusto ko yung sa Lovely Cosmetics but sadly, they don't have like a pop-up. Oo. Tsaka online naman, sobrang ubos yung stock nung nila, mga shades nila. Yung mga darker lang kasi may shades sila eh. Para siyang foundation na may radiant glow. So, ayun. In terms naman sa pop-up, siguro yung yung Get Ready With Me na pop-up.
Hindi siya masyadong memorable sa akin. I don't remember kung madaming tao sa Get Ready With Me.
Hindi, I like yung super bright.
Super bright?
Bright siya. Tapos, meron din, yung claw machine talaga yung nililook forward ko, pero hindi.
Common denominator ng Get Ready With Me, yung mga stores nila, sobrang bright. Like, gumaganda talaga yung skin na parang, siguro marketing psychology na nila yun.
Na maganda yung
mabili
lighting.
Mabili yung concealer nila yan.
Totoo. Tapos, ayun, the only thing lang talaga na di ko gusto sa Get Ready With Me is the packaging. But formula-wise, they're good. Picture na kami here.
Okay guys, till the next. Bye!